Welcome to our elegant home kitchen, a special space created under everything for ladies, where simple ingredients turn into delicious, satisfying meals you can confidently prepare at home. In this video, we'll walk through some of the world's most popular and easy-to-make fast food recipes, guiding you step by step so you can follow along without confusion. Whether you're cooking for yourself, your family, or just exploring new ideas, these recipes are designed to be quick, practical, and enjoyable. So take your time, get your ingredients ready, and let's start creating something truly delicious together. Start by slicing your chicken into thin strips and placing them into a bowl. Add garlic, paprika, salt, pepper, and a little oil. Then mix everything thoroughly so each piece is well coated. This step is where the flavor begins, so take a moment to mix it properly and let it rest while you prepare the rest. Shawarma is popular because it turns simple ingredients into something rich and satisfying without complicated steps. While the chicken marinates, wash and slice your vegetables. Keep them thin and fresh so they balance the warmth of the meat. Heat a pan over medium-high heat and cook the chicken until it turns golden and slightly crispy on the edges, releasing a rich aroma. Lay your flatbread on a clean surface, spread garlic sauce evenly, then add the hot chicken and fresh vegetables. Wrap it tightly, slice it in half, and notice how everything comes together in a perfect balance of texture and flavor. Place your ground beef into a hot pan and begin breaking it apart as it cooks. Add salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic, stirring well until the meat becomes fully browned and flavorful. This step is quick but important. Properly cooked beef gives tacos their signature taste. Tacos are loved worldwide because they're simple, customizable, and fast to prepare. Warm your tortillas gently so they stay soft and flexible without cracking. Prepare your toppings by chopping lettuce, shredding cheese, and getting your salsa ready. Now fill each tortilla with the beef, layer the toppings evenly, and fold gently. The mix of warm meat and fresh toppings creates a balance that makes every bite satisfying. Place your sausages onto a heated pan or grill and let them cook slowly over medium heat. Turn them regularly so they brown evenly on all sides and develop that slightly crisp outer layer. Hot dogs remain popular because they are one of the easiest meals you can prepare in just minutes. While the sausages cook, warm your buns slightly to make them soft and ready to hold everything together. Once the sausages are fully cooked, place each one into a bun, add ketchup and mustard, and serve immediately. It's simple, fast, and always reliable when you need a quick meal. Cut your chicken into small, even bite-sized pieces so they cook evenly. Prepare 3 layers: flour, beaten eggs, and breadcrumbs. Dip each piece into flour, then egg, then coat it fully with breadcrumbs, making sure each piece is well covered. This coating is what gives nuggets their signature crunch. Heat oil in a pan and fry the pieces until they turn golden brown and crispy. Take your time here. Rushing can affect the texture. Remove them and place on paper to drain excess oil. Serve them hot and notice the contrast between the crispy outside and tender inside. Cook your rice, beans, and meat separately so each component is ready and full of flavor. Burritos are popular because they combine multiple ingredients into one satisfying meal that's easy to carry and eat. Warm your tortilla slightly to make it flexible and easier to fold. Place it flat, then add rice, beans, meat, and sauce in layers, keeping everything balanced. Now fold the sides inward and roll it tightly into a burrito. Take a moment to secure it properly. This step keeps everything inside when eating. Slice it if you like, and you'll see a perfect combination of textures and colors inside. Cut your potatoes into even strips and rinse them in water to remove excess starch. This helps them become crispier when fried. Prepare your fish by dipping fillets into seasoned batter, making sure each piece is evenly coated. Fish and chips remain a classic because they are simple yet incredibly satisfying. Heat oil in a pan and begin by frying the potatoes until they turn golden and slightly crispy. Remove them and set aside. Then fry the battered fish until crispy on the outside while staying soft inside. Serve both together while hot, and you'll notice how the textures complement each other perfectly. Blend chickpeas with garlic, herbs, and spices until the mixture holds together. This mixture should feel firm but not too dry. Shape it into small balls or patties, keeping them even in size for consistent cooking. Falafel is loved because it's a flavorful plant-based option that's both affordable and filling. Heat oil and fry them until golden brown and crisp on the outside. Slice your bread and prepare fresh vegetables. Place the falafel inside, add vegetables and sauce, then close and serve. The contrast between crispy falafel and fresh vegetables creates a balanced and satisfying bite. Place a tortilla onto a heated pan over medium heat. Sprinkle cheese evenly across the surface and add chicken if desired. Quesadillas are popular because they require very few ingredients but deliver rich flavor. Place another tortilla on top and press gently so everything stays together. Cook until the bottom turns golden and slightly crisp, then flip carefully and cook the other side. Once the cheese is fully melted, remove and slice into triangles. The melted cheese and crispy layers make this a simple but comforting dish. Slice your meat into thin strips and cook it over high heat until browned and slightly crisp. This step brings out the deep flavor that makes doner kebab so popular. While it cooks, prepare your bread and slice fresh vegetables. Once ready, place the meat into the bread, add vegetables and sauce, then wrap tightly. Doner kebab stands out because it combines bold flavors with quick preparation, making it a favorite street food around the world. Slice onions into thick rings and separate them carefully so they keep their shape. Prepare your coating by setting up flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs. Dip each ring into flour, then egg, then breadcrumbs, making sure each layer sticks well. Onion rings are popular because of their crispy texture and simple ingredients. Fry in hot oil until golden and crunchy. Remove them and place on paper to drain excess oil. Serve them warm with your favorite sauce and enjoy the crisp bite in every piece. Great food doesn't come from complexity. It comes from simple steps done with care and attention. Each of these recipes shows that with just a few ingredients and the right process, you can create meals that are loved all around the world. Take your time, enjoy each step, and don't rush the experience. Because cooking is not just about the final result. It's about the process that brings everything together. The more you practice, the more confident and efficient you become, turning simple cooking into something truly enjoyable.